Hi there. Welcome to Real Kisses and Hugs. The Real Kisses and Hugs is a love and romance podcast specially designed for you. Alright, so the Real Kisses and Hugs is designed in 3 patterns. The first one is actually the podcast segment. The podcast segment of the Real Kisses and Hugs is for you to actually come together and learn from the masters. The masters, I mean us and lots of other very experienced people all over the world. On this podcast, we usually share tips and tricks, hacks, and so many ways for you to get into a more profound love life and to enhance your relationship life and also to spark up that romantic side of you. Whether you are married, engaged, or you're single, searching, or perhaps you don't even believe in love, this podcast is just for you. So the second segment is the segment for people who are actually single and searching. Alright, so on the Kisses and Hugs Match Made segment, we actually link singles to singles depending on your preferences. So for example, if you need this kind of guy or this kind of lady, just all you have to do is let us know your preferences, let us know the kind of person that you desire to start a relationship with, and we are just going to match that person to you. It's as simple as that. So this is the hope of all beautiful, responsible, and hardworking people. So I know you want to come here and get yourself one. Alright, so the third segment of the Real Kisses and Hugs is about the live show. Alright, so every once in a month, we usually organize a live show where we show up to you live. You're not just only going to be watching us on your screens every day, you are going to have a physical moment with us where you're going to physically interact with us. We are going to physically answer your questions. You're also going to physically mingle with different calibers of people from all walks of life in our live show. Just so you can get yourself matched. Just in case you didn't get yourself matched through our podcast, you also would have the chance to walk into our live show every month to get yourself a matching partner. And just in case you're already coupled up, this is a show where we're going to lead you into the best knowledge and the techniques in which you can run a very much more successful relationship. So what are you waiting for? The Real Kisses and Hugs is the best place for you.
This is Kisses and Hugs.